Well, shut off your mouth over the first evening, call lick in your face about.
You're not a bad man, brother. You're not a body, brother. You can't come tell me nothing, you can't tell me nothing.
You feel like man think hey boy, if man think I'm thing you.
I'm telling you, take time to talk. Keep them a coke head. Say one more word out there, man. Come do me, sir.
Alright, so that bad then.
I'm out of fuck. Let me see if I can do nothing.
You're bad. Man, shoot us. Boy, you love ramp with bad boy.
You're bright.
Yeah, where you say? Where you happen?
No, I don't cripple. What you doing? You good?
Big up yourself.
Yeah, big up man, cripple.
Me think you're going to try defending.
No, me not defend who? Me a defend force. I want to man.
Them boy don't know bad man.
Yeah, little cripple.
Big
Little
up
more.
yourself, yes.
Yeah man, big up yourself.
Yo, you man them a hurt, bro. Why man them a hurt you?
Yeah, that's what
especially
I'm
plumbing you them. You plumber boy them a real pipe from where bro.
Yeah,
This is last night, bro. You don't know what I call my Jackie, bro.
Yeah.
See, I call that dog. She had to me say the plumber from down the street come over, bro, if you can lay a pipe in the house, bro. You man them a hurt, bro. From that tell you man them no normal, no, bro.
That's how we plumber. That's how we plumber.
You know, the plumber from down the road, man. Where the plumbing store? Yeah. Yeah, they let go plumber to work.
What time?
Bobo 1 o'clock last night, man. Yeah, man. That man them a work, bro. The man them a work 24/7, bro.
Them place a lot by 9:30, no?
Bro, it no matter if you place lock. It no matter. The work of them out on the road, bro. The man hustle down. Cause last night, bro, me call the girl back and me call the girl. The girl tell me say, oh, dad, come over there if you can lay a pipe and all of them things there, bro. In our house, bro. For sure, all that time here, be water, bro. That's the one that time here, she a clap, cause she a rejoice the water in the house, bro. Big man thing, bro. I'm telling the man, I'm working all this, bro.
So, me try to get what you're saying. So you say your own man.
Yeah. She say what? Yeah.
Plumber. Come over like 1 o'clock.
Go work hard in the water problem.
Go lay a pipe.
Yeah.
And you hear water go plaka.
Yeah, plaka.
Right?
No, see, you know what? I say, me have never
And
jump.
you hear she a clap.
Yeah.
Yeah, hear yourself, not true.
Yeah, man, I hear myself, man.
Look into it, for me. She a clap. Here, sitting and go plaka. In come lay a pipe, not in the house. When you lay the pipe in
Wow, why you say something, you know? Wow, why you say? What that she gonna do that?
me not say that she gonna do my father. But you tell me, because no.
Wow.
Yeah, man, big up.
I need to, sir.
Yeah, big up.
I deal with it here, bro.
Where you gonna deal with?
I deal with it.
Where you deal with?
I deal with it, bro. Just check me, I sell black for more, bro.
Sell black? Where you gonna deal with?
Go ahead, dog.
Don't you?
I'm gonna show you something, bro.
I go the ugly, you know?
Eh,
Got me dog.
that's why your teeth broke off.
Why me then no?
Eh?
Why me then no? Why me then no?
What do you mean?
Why me?
Just
No,
your teeth broke off, brother.
Why me? Why me?
Excusez-moi. I am only taking business calls this year. So if you call in my phone and it's not money business, I don't business. Clock it.
Say, babes, me say, me just drop a big beast a while ago. I never know say I suck your cheap. Me say, mums, me say, 2015 market, you know? I want them Rasta friends tell me, no call me last night and I tell me, say, yo, you want to get rid of that car fast. And me I say, me I say, how much you sell if a man tell me 20,000, so be. Me say, when me hear 20,000, me gotta be fast. Quick. Me say, mums, I can't wait till you come cock up your fat ass on the dashboard. Then. I can't wait.
Get up. Are you TV markets?
No,
Are you TV markets? The blue 2015 markets. Are you have on with sensor lobe? I mean, where you get it from?
I'm Rasta friend, this my friend.
Where you get it from?
I'm Rasta friend.
Call Rasta, call him. Call him. Are you TV? Look at your blood, see.
Rasta, yo, the matter me say me TV market just now, me the matter you man.
When you do hang up, call him back. Hey boy, call him back. Call him back. Hey boy, call him back. Give me my card. Give me my card. Give me my sensor. Give me my sensor. Oh God. Come on. Who you say again?
My Rasta friend.
Don't do it again, man. Don't do it again.
What are you doing here, young man? What are you doing here? This is private. Which
public space.
Who told you that is public space? This is private property.
Oh, you know that?
This is private property. Get off this land.
TikTok look on this money cost me.
What you doing?
Public place.
You doing me? I did not give you my
Yeah,
permission
me a
to
video
video.
you. Me a
Get
video
off,
you.
get off the property.
Me a
I'm going to
video.
call the cops.
Me a video you.
I'm going to call the
So
cops.
call him now.
You think you're the only one that can video?
Call him. Call him.
You think you're the only one that can video? Get off my property. Get off my property. I can video you as well. You think you're the only one that can video? Stay here until the cop come. Don't run. Come here, sir. Don't run. Don't run. Stay here until the cop arrives.
But you're not really a video, Mr. You know?
Oh, the angle is a bit off. Hold on there. Let me set the angle. Look, I'm videoing you, of course. Of course I'm videoing you. No, look at my phone. I am videoing you. So you cannot escape. I am going to post your picture if you run away.
Man, shut up
your
now. Look for something good now. You're not video me preaching. Look for the camera good now, man. Shut up your mouth.
Oh, the angle, man. Because my hand is shaking. I have nerves problem. Well, let me set the angle. All right, look at it now. Man. I am videoing it right now. Yeah. You cannot escape. Hello, hold on, don't run. I wait until the cops arrives.
I devil say that, man.
You cannot run because I now have your picture.
You have your own picture?
Of course, the video is on you.
No, it's on you.
If you can video me, I can video you too.
I go and lab off your mouth then now.
I can video you too. Cruff.
Leave me alone now, sir.
What, bro? You good?
Yeah, what you deal with?
I shit, that's how I look, man. I can't shit. I shit. Are you nasty, man? What the hell we shoes this? I shit at people in yard front. You shit at people in yard. Stop, hey boy, mind not touch me. Hey boy, mind not touch me. I shit them. I shit at people. I shit at people in yard front. Hey boy, can't take up your shit. You shit up. Hey boy, stop. Hey boy, stop walk. Hey boy, stop. Hey boy, you talk.
Yes, Patrice, boy, them catch me with number 10 in a cash patina, man. Hey boy, I'm gonna leave the rat chop alone.
Yes, Pat.
Come in and know how I'm too, no. Yes, that sound like tears of joy. Yes, man, put it back there. You say if you can't catch Harry, you know, you're catching finger them.
So, me want to know one papi for me. For like, don't trouble people things. Other day, I show up with some pill, some blue pill, if you don't know what. So,
why you need to Mr. Viagra, brother? You go to get some brother, you cut off some brother.
But no, guys. But look at me, tell me don't trouble it. But me show you pill them, me never tell you if you go behind me back and take the pill them, dog.
So what you do with Viagra, are you brother?
Yo, my boss, can I help you? My G, you lost? I don't know if a G of your weakness. Yo! You have to go lift up out of my yard, you know, my G. Ross! Mommy! Yeah! The blood of Jesus! The blood of Jesus! The blood of Jesus! I don't come back, man! I could have warmed to for yard to make Duppy text it power from what day ya. I some fling all the bucket off of him too. What's that? Yeah. Myrna! Lock your door, girl. Duppy, I walk a day. Duppy. In here, I feel like a Mass Joseph. Yeah. Alright. Fucking shit.
Let me see if my brother finally know the road code now. Watch me and him.
Hey boy! Come cut out your seed! Come here! Come here, boy! Hey boy, come in and carry me cut out your seed! Oh! So you learn. Yeah? Me have to check me if you learn.
Come on, me could you download my lungs?
See what big guy, yeah, man. So me have to check me if you learn.
Me tell you, I'm gonna run fast.
Alright, drinky big and me too come, yeah?
Where you go?
Me go look for one of them people there.
When you man them?
Yeah, so fun. Don't tell nobody what me gone. What me say if you do?
Drink big as soda.
Alright, good.
Yeah. Big girl over. Big girl over girl man. Girl for other man. Not you in other man. It's enough to tell nobody. I don't know girl for man. And he driving other man car. It's more money up. You. The other man for car. And the other man when girl look for. That are 5. You know, when you come on shit, if me poop it, I'm going to come on for shit.
Yes, all right. Take it easy. Hello. Yes, yes, sir. Take it easy. I'm going to pop your neck. Yo, I'm going to pop your neck. But then get your smoke. You're a big man. Me ask him. You're a big man. Then if you're a big man, right? How this shit then fi catch you a smoke? Craving here. Yeah, what one? Call to him. Hello. Fix your face. Smile then. Good. All right. Yes, man. You sick my stomach. You let me down. You could never be the Butterfields breed. You're some Croft breed. Fix your face and get nothing to cry for. You want me pop your neck, boy? Yeah, what one? Me there with my son. I take it easy, man. For a good day. Yeah, all right, man. All right. All right, let's come on. Yeah, man. He's a crow. And them the life that you want. But don't worry yourself. You wait till Winston reach out with the thing them. I will go home. I'm going to kill you with lick. You can't stay there. You think you get nothing for ball for yet? Fix up yourself. I might see people are pass. My name make people feel like say you're there, so I get beaten. Good. Straighten up yourself. Fix up yourself. Smile. Yeah, I mean, yeah, boy. You sick with too much. The big man things you want to take on, you're going to get big boy fist and thumb and elbow. Sick with too much.